How to use Bitly as a beginner. Bitly will help you create shorter links that has your brand's back. So let's start. All you have to do is go to bitly.com and get started for free. Here you can see different programs. For now, we're just gonna go with the free one. All you have to do is scroll down and get started. Now we need to sign up for Bitly. It's so easy. You have to provide a username and email address. After that, add a reasonable password, sign up with email. So guys, once you sign up, you will have to verify your email and then answer these very easy question and save. So guys, this is what Bitly looks like. Now we're gonna create our link right here. So you're gonna click on create your first link. Now guys, it's so easy. What you have to do is just copy any of your long and lengthy link and then convert it into a short bit link. So let me go and grab a lengthy link first, and then we're gonna paste it right here. So guys, I just copied a very long URL. All you have to do is just paste it right here, whatever URL you want to bit link. So guys, this is the link that has been created. Now I can just copy it simply and share wherever I want to share it. It's so simple. So okay, once you create any link, it is simply saved right here. As you can see, this is where your link will come. So if I just click right here, so you can see that this was my link that I just created. This is the shorter version of the link. Once you create that, after that you can simply copy it and paste it wherever you want to, or you can share it on different social media account. For example, you can simply share it on Twitter. Why it's saying Twitter? Because most of the time Twitter requires a URL which is not more than 140 characters. So you can do that, or you can edit your link right here. How you can edit is simply that if you do not like this URL, by bit.ly slash, after bit.ly slash, you can just add your customized link. For example, if you had a blog, you can just simply add like this and save. Then this will be the link that will be created. Look, link has been edited. Once you do that, you will be able to see the clicks on that link as well. For example, if you have a long list of different links, you will be able to see each of the link. After that, guys, let me show you around what other features Bitly offers. Here you can see this is where you are seeing all of the links. This is the option for dashboard. If I click here, you will get the dashboard of Bitly, which looks like this apparently, because right now I am very new. As you can see, this is the dashboard right now. After that, you can just go back to all links. After that, there is custom links that you have customized. Any of the links that you have customized will be shown right here. After that, there is a campaign option and many more. After that, guys, you can see right here, you can actually organize your Bitly very effectively. For example, you can filter your links. For example, when you're creating your links every day, there are going to be lots of links, so you can actually customize or filter them by users. For example, you can add more than one users. Then there is a tags option that will filter your links according to the tags, and then there is only customize links, and then there is an option for only hidden links. For example, if you hide any link by chance, so guys, right here you can see there is a filter links option where you can actually filter your lots of links. Once you have created them, you can actually customize them and manage your Bitly very easily. For example, you can filter your links by users if there are more than one, or filter them by tags. Let me show you what tag means. I'll just show you in a minute. And then only custom links, that only the custom links that you have customized by yourself as we did earlier, you will see right here, or only hidden links. Now what does tag and hidden means? Let me show you. So when you create a link, once you click on this is where you will see the bit links details, you can call them. Here you can see you can actually give this link a tag, and after that there will be a tag created. For example, I want to give this link a tag of blogs, so I will create this tag, and after this I can add any of the blogs link right here, and it will be easy for me to find these links. After that, there is also a hide option if I want to hide this link. So if I click on hide, it will be hidden. You can see now there is 0 links, but now you can see it is showing that there are 0 links because it's hidden. So I'm just gonna go ahead and only hidden links and apply. Once you do that, your links will reappear, and after that you're gonna click again and unhide it, so it will be shown again. So guys, you can see Bitly is very easy to use, and it literally takes seconds for you to create a very short bitlink for your blog or any of your website, and then you can just simply copy and share this link wherever you want to. So yeah guys, after that, let me just show you how you can actually copy a link and how does Bitly actually works. Let me give you a tour around that also, so you can get an idea how you actually open a website or a blog to your Bitly. So we're just gonna go ahead and create our new Bitly real quick because it literally takes a second. So you're just gonna go to any of the website. I am right here on this blog, and I'm just gonna copy their URL, copy and then paste right here. Once I do that, you see that click on create, and our Bitly has been created. So I'm just gonna go ahead and copy, save. Once I do that, my Bitly has been copied and my link has been edited. Now what you have to do is just go to new tab, and when you will actually paste your Bitly in the URL section, then you will be directed to that blog. Once I do that, press enter, and you can see that we have been directed to this website. Like literally this was the original URL, and we came to this blog by our Bitly. So it's so easy when you create a Bitly for your long URL. After that, there is a share option. So if I go to share, you will be able to share your Bitly to your Twitter account. Once I do that, click on your Twitter and connect to a Twitter account. So it will be connected to your Twitter account, whatever it is. You just have to connect your Bitly to your Twitter, and then you will be able to share your links easily. So all you have to do is add your username and password, authorize the app, and this application will be able to see tweets from your timeline, see accounts you follow, and all of these. This is okay. And once you do that, it's because it will help you attach your website to your Twitter account. So you don't have to share your links and go through a complex procedure in order to share your new blogs. All you will do is just go ahead and create a Bitly and share it to your Twitter account, and your followers and friends will be able to see what your new blog is. After that, you can see that you can actually see the stats, what's happening on your blog. You can see the blog I just created the Bitly for is now I am getting their stats. You can see 2 total clicks today. You even get whether the location of the clicks. This is probably me. So yeah, you can actually see the stats, how many clicks you are getting on your blog. So Bitly is not only providing you a shorter link, but it's also managing your blog somehow. After that, if I go to right here, you will see that there is also a dashboard if you upgrade, custom links if you upgrade, and campaigns. Okay, so these are the upgrade programs: basic, premium, and enterprise. Once you do that, if you buy any of the plans, then I think it will be amazing. You will be able to create cool campaigns, and then there will be a dashboard, and you can actually customize your links. You can actually type and create a link of your own with your own words and letters. So yeah guys, this was Bitly. I hope I was a big help to you, and you will be able to create your own Bitlys now and modernize your blog as you want to. So yeah, I will see you in the next video. Until